Hey, it's Rich back with you for another video. Today I'm in Lompoc, California with this 1977 340A that we have for sale. This airplane has about 4,500 total time and around 300 on the motors. And we're going to fly it from Lompoc back to Long Beach. I'm going to take you along for the ride and show you the airplane. We're climbing off of Lompoc, passing about 8,500 feet on our way up to 17.5. And so, as I mentioned, it's a 340A, which is the second generation of the initially what was a 340. They didn't make too many 340s, maybe only like 500 before they went to the 340A, maybe even less. I think they made about 1,300 340s in total, and maybe started in mid-70s up till early 80s, and it was a follow-on to the 310. And if you get into 310, this panel looks, the later 310s, they look similar. And I think, so kind of a pressurized version of the 310. And 150, we used to sell a lot of twin Cessnas and a fair amount of 340s. You know, pretty good airplanes. This one over the 340 has I think 310 horsepower motors over the original 285s, and probably in a 220 knot cruise range. Speed at the higher altitudes on 30 gallons an hour, and a real solid. I mean, all these twin Cessnas are real solid feeling airplanes, and very nice, comfortable cabin, and obviously pressurized. So we're this cabin made it to max diff, and just now the cabin's starting to climb off of sea level, and we're out of going up on 10,000 feet. And as I mentioned, this particular airplane is for sale, and you can see it's got a lot of upgraded avionics. The Aspen PFD MFD here that's split. And then the JPI, I believe this is a 960, which is the primary engine instruments for this airplane. There aren't any other engine instruments. And we have a known problem with fuel pressure that we've been kind of working on. And really nice setup. There's a couple of alarms for manifold pressure, I think, and RPMs up on top of the PFD and the MFD. The old altimeter, airspeed, vertical speed, turn coordinator. And I think this is a Garmin, it's not a certified panel unit, but it's maybe a 696. I can't remember the actual number. I don't think it's an Era, which was the latest one. New Garmin transponder, some standby instruments over there. The Cessna 400 autopilot with a flight director. Does not have altitude hold. I'm sorry, altitude pre-select, but has altitude hold. So really a nice nice upgraded panel in this airplane. It's in really good condition. You know, like a lot of these, there's a few things that you could clean up. It has air conditioning, and as I mentioned too, low time motors. I think under 300 hours on the overhaul times on these motors. So a really nice example of a 340A with upgraded panel. So we leveled off at 17.5 on our way back to Long Beach. I've got the power set up per the book, and it's about 31.5 inches and 2450 RPMs, and that gets us, it's getting us right about 200 knots true airspeed on about 32 gallons an hour. Pretty nice ride. The cabin is cabin's at about 7,000 feet, and it's doing a nice job of holding differential. So it's you know, it's nice, good ride, nice and smooth. Autopilot's doing a good job. We have a couple of engine parameters that we knew were giving us problems, and they're kind of giving us problems too. So, but other than that, this is a real nice airplane. It's a great example of a 340, and I feel like the speeds are about what I've seen in my experience. You know, round numbers, 200 knots at 30 gallons an hour. And we're going to start our descent back down to Long Beach now, and go in and land, and we'll be back with you.
265 clear to land, 304 Echo.
November, or Jet 382, connect set auto departure.
Jet 382 switching you there. 216 Romeo Golf, ready 26 left.
What was your request?
An IFR departure, 6 Romeo Golf.
Okay, I see you there. Thank you. Hold for release.
Romeo Golf.
Diamond Star 5 Uniform Sierra, traffic 12 o'clock, less than a mile eastbound at 1,100.
Looking for traffic, 5 Uniform Sierra.
November, Zero Tango Pop, traffic off your right to Diamond Star on final runway 30 at 600.
Inside, 0 Tango Papa.
Tango Papa, also turn your base at the 605. You're going to be following traffic that's on final over there.
Turn base at the 605, 140 Tango Papa. Gears down. 3 green.
Team 5 Sierra Foxer, reduce the final approach speed if you're able.
Approach speed, we'll be parking on Ross.
Roger. Diamond Star 5 Uniform Sierra, turn left at Delta 4, cut it ground.
Left Delta 4 over to ground, 5 Uniform Sierra.
We'd like to go right. We're going over to 26 right if possible, 5 Uniform Sierra.
That's fine, cut it ground.
Over to ground, 5 Uniform Sierra.
Pumps are on, flaps, mixtures up, gears down. You really see that greens, do you?
I saw it, or 3 green.
Yeah, 3 green.
November 0 Tango Papa, spacing's not looking good for you. Can you make a right 360 on final?
Affirm, 0 Tango Papa, we'll make it now.
Thank you. Cessna 13 Foxtrot, extend downwind traffic, head into your right to Gulfstream on final, runway 30.
Extend downwind traffic in sight, 13 Foxtrot.
Gulfstream 5 Sierra Foxtrot, traffic ahead and to your left eastbound at 1,000, Cessna.
Traffic in sight, 5 Fox.
November 6 Romeo Golf, connect SoCal departure, have a good day.
Ground, 5 Golf.
November 4 340, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff, close traffic, no delay on your roll.
Takeoff 26 left, wind like a left at the river, no delay for 340.
Left at the river is prepare for 340.
Palm Beach Tower, Cessna 51594 holding short of 26 left at Foxtrot 1, requesting left cross for departure.
Roger. Gulfstream 50 Foxtrot, turn left at Kilo, contact ground.
Kilo and ground, Dodger Fox.
Cabin. It's descending a little too fast.
November 0 Tango Papa, safe parking.
OCR Aviation, 0 Tango Papa.
0 Tango Papa, you can just stay with me, taxi to OCR via Foxtrot 4 and Foxtrot.
Foxtrot 4, Foxtrot with you, 0 Tango Papa.
All right, we're back on the ground here in Long Beach after our flight in the 340A. Again, this is a 1977 340A, 4,500 total time, low time motors, upgraded paint, the interior's nice, got some nice avionics upgrades, and a real good example of a 340A if you're considering an airplane like this. We had a couple little glitches on the engine monitor, but that's a really good engine monitor that's well supported. They've been around for a long time, so those will get worked out. Thanks for watching the video, and please remember to subscribe to the channel and like the video.